everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the testing process of using a manual bagging machine for small-size EPS foam products. The product demonstrated this time is a wine tray. As can be seen from the video, packaging has always been a headache for such small products. If PE stripe is used for packaging, it is easy to fall apart during transportation. If they are manually packed into PE bags, too much time and manpower are spent on packaging. Therefore, we have specially developed this manual bagging machine for small-sized EPS foam products. After manual sorting, the foam products are placed on the working platform and then pushed to package. Compared with manual packaging, it can increase the efficiency of packaging and reduce the intensity of labor. Compared to automatic 6-side EPS packaging machine, although the efficiency is slightly reduced, the overall investment is less too. This way, our customers can choose according to their actual needs. Now let's see the whole packaging process. After the packaging is completed, we can intuitively see that the knife seal is very flat and without wrinkles. For more information about the EPS packaging machine, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.